In this video, I will be giving you my Parsec app review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Parsec is one of the most popular remote access and game streaming platforms available today, known for its incredibly low latency and smooth performance. Whether you want to play PC games on another device, host multiplayer sessions, or access your computer from anywhere, Parsec promises high-quality streaming with almost no input delay. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's break it all down. Parsec's biggest strength is gaming performance. Its proprietary streaming technology is built for ultra-low latency, making it feel like you're playing directly on the remote device. Even fast-paced games like shooters and racing titles run surprisingly well when the connection is good. This makes Parsec a favorite among gamers who want to play their powerful PC games on a laptop, tablet, or even a lower-end device. Another standout feature is its multiplayer sharing. You can invite friends to play couch co-op or split-screen games with you, even if they're miles away. Parsec sends keyboard, mouse, and controller inputs with incredibly fast response times, making the experience feel almost local. For families and friends who want to reconnect through gaming, this feature alone is extremely powerful. Parsec also works as a remote desktop tool, and while it's primarily designed for gaming, it's great for creative work too. Artists, editors, and developers use Parsec for smooth remote access to high-performance computers. The image quality is sharp, the streaming is stable, and the controls feel responsive enough for productivity tasks. However, there are a few downsides. Parsec requires a strong, stable internet connection, both upload and download, to achieve its best performance. If your network is slow, you will notice lag and compression. Some advanced features like multi-monitor streaming or enterprise-level options require a paid plan. And unlike TeamViewer or RustDesk, Parsec doesn't include built-in file transfer tools, which can be inconvenient for some users. Overall, Parsec is one of the best solutions for remote gaming and high-performance streaming. Its speed, clarity, and reliability stand out from most competitors. If you have a solid internet connection and want seamless gaming or remote PC access, Parsec is absolutely worth trying.